freaking. Oh my no.
Hey Glock, I have to have you step down real quick, my nigga.
I still gotta go back in there, Mom.
Enzo.
Glock, put a teeth in for her, dog. Show how you coming.
Come on, Junior.
Does he know how to rap?
Yo, who you with? Why is it so loud?
Shirley.
Let me see her. Are you with that
Shirley,
girl?
come here. Enzo want to talk to you.
Let me talk to my girl real quick.
He said, come here, Shirley. She coming.
I like the sound of some Shirley. Hey, Shirley, where you finna come meet you?
I don't like you.
Huh?
I don't like you, Enzo.
Say it again. Say it again.
Huh?
Don't fucking say
Say
it
it
again.
again.
Don't fucking say it again.
But say it again, bro. There's gonna be bad consequences. Very bad. You know you just tied me in front of 800 people.
I would say something, but I'm not gonna say it online. There's way too many views.
Oh, all right. Let me say
Enzo,
something.
Wait,
Ready?
let me say something about
oh,
you.
but
Don't.
call it?
Fuck you, man. The fuck? Glock, fuck these bitches, bro. Fuck these bitches, dog. They got
See, Enzo, that's something you gotta learn. Something you need to learn,
man.
Enzo, it's something you need to learn about these hoes. One, you at a certain level. So if these hoes gonna show you the respect, you boot them to the curb. There's plenty of fish in the sea. You just gotta understand. You gotta see it.
Yeah.